Hi, it's Noam Pandita here, and in this video we'll be making a quick introduction to the modern artist action set. Let's start with the installation of the action file. Open Photoshop, go to menu window, then select actions and the actions panel will open. Then open the menu at the top right corner and select load actions. Select the file modern artist Photoshop actions from your hard drive and click OK. The installation is done and you'll find two actions. The first is the standard one, while the second one is used for high resolution images, around 5000 pixels or more. The only difference between the two is just a slight change in the parameters of the filters used, adjustment that can be also easily done in the layers tree after using the standard action. Now there are a couple of things to check before using the action. Open an image to work with in Photoshop, go to the top menu image mode and make sure your image is in RGB 8 color mode. Then go to image size. The action was tested on images between 1000 and 6000 pixels. Make sure that the highest of the two parameters between width and height are inside this range, otherwise adjust the value and click OK. Then also make sure that the layer of the image is locked and is set as background. To set a layer as background, go to menu layers, new, background from layer.